Thank you, Mira Shankar, Arya Shankaran, and Mr. Harish Shankaran for that wonderful introduction to today's wonderful celebration of dance.
And namaskaram and welcome everyone. On behalf of Usha's Kuchipudi Dance Academy, it's our pleasure to welcome you all to today's annual Kuchipudi Dance Recital. As I look around the room, I see family, friends we've known for a long time, and even new members of our dance community, which if nothing is just a lovely reminder of how much our school has grown over these years. We are deeply honored by your presence as we gather to celebrate the artistic journey of our students. Today's showcase performance shows the beauty of Kuchipudi dance, featuring the compositions dedicated to Lord Shiva. That being said, for those of you who may not know who we are, my name is Anika Kompella.
Compella. Before we officially kick things off, we want to set some ground rules regarding the performance expectations. Before we begin, we kindly request that you ensure all cell phones and electronic devices are silent. Please avoid unnecessary conversations during the performances so that all guests may enjoy and hear the recital. Kindly remain seated during performances. If you need to leave, please do so between items. If you look to both your left and right, you will see that the doors lead out into the hall, and these let in a lot of light and sound. So please be mindful opening and closing the doors. Photography and videography are permitted only from your seats and without flash. And last but not least, clap and cheer and show all your love you want. Just remember, no food or drinks except water allowed in the theater. Let's keep the space clean and focus on the dancers. Thank you for helping us create a respectful, enjoyable environment for our performers and audience alike. As we begin, we seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the remover of all obstacles, and Lord Nataraja, the cosmic dancer. To guide and bless this performance, in this piece, you also get to know all the performers for tonight.
Yeah, this one and one more. Can you bring, can you bring the, okay, can you bring the sheets, please? Okay, so this is the left side. That's okay, we have time. Just like back here. गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
चतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैतगलक्षेत्रे गुरुसर्वसदाराधाय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुमाकण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि भूतगुल्पाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि ग्रन्थगीताय ग्रन्थगेयाय ग्रन्थान्तरात्मने गीतलीलाय गीताश्रयाय गीतवाद्यपटवे प्रियचरिताय गायकवराय गन्धर्वप्रियकृपे गायकादीन विग्रहाय गङ्गाजलप्रणयवते गौरी सनन्दनाय गौरी हृदयनन्दनाय गौरमानुसुताय गौरी गणेश्वराय गौरी प्रणयाय गौरी प्रवणाय गौरभावाय धीमहि गोसहस्राय गोवर्धनाय गोपगोपाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि